Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Shamila binti Rosali. My final year project title is Awareness on Endangered Animals Among Visitors of Fatin Zoo using Mobile Augmented Reality. As we know, the protection of endangered species is difficult to undertake without the assistance of local community. Today, modern zoo act as a conservation center by maintaining captive population of threatened and endangered species. Fatin Zoo is also one of them in their effort to increase the animal population, especially the endangered one. Despite this, many zoo animals are still endangered and threatened. For many applications, augmented reality technology has turned out to be the more engaging approach as it can be utilized for learning, diagnosis, and rehabilitations. For problem statements, endangered species have only a few of them and may become extinct on this entire planet. Climate change, poaching, and disease are some of the factors. Without people awareness, there will be no social support to solve this problem. Moreover, the major challenge was in developing a system that matched the use of technology with goals of teaching, entertainment, and animal care. So the use of augmented reality might provide a potential answer to this problem. Next, the objectives of this project are to investigate the level awareness among visitors towards endangered animals. Second, to construct a project related to endangered animals using mobile augmented reality. And last, to analyze the feedback given from the respondents on the awareness of endangered animals. Here is my short video for my apps development in Unity. For my prototype, Zooping is a mobile application based on augmented reality technology. The goal of the application is to raise awareness about endangered animals among Fatin visitors. Augmented reality technology is used to generate interest in endangered animals that are frequently missed by general populations. This app allows visitors to explore, investigate, and learn more about these endangered species. Next is a project explanation. So here is my app. So click on the apps icon. Then here is like a small introduction about the apps. Next, then we click done after the user read these small introductions. So they click done. Then there's map. So for the map, is the user can zoom in or zoom out if the map is too small. So for example, they want to know about this red spot or the animals that is listed critical endangered. So they have to click here, the red spot here. So we'll show the animals, information, image, video, and also a sound of the animals. So for example, this one, long title sound. So here, if you want to know about scientific name, population trend. So back, we have a species. So for this species, we have endangered and critical endangered. So if they want to know about endangered or critical endangered, then for example, they want to know about Peruvian deer. So for Peruvian deer, so here is their endangered critical list or year published that it is list critical. Then the information about Peruvian deers. So next we have adoption. So for the adoption, I'm listed all the animals, endangered animals. And for example, they want to adopt a Malayan elephants, endangered Malayan elephants. So for example, they want Ikwa. So here, the adoption scheme here, list here. So if they want, they click here. will show the benefit, the bonus, the rewards if they adopt with these schemes. For example, platinum, they can get 200 free passes to typing and night safari. So for E-class, here shows from 100 until 999 ringgit. So here the production scheme option. So for example, they want to adopt lion tiger and they want to adopt perak schemes. So they have to click confirm. Once they click confirm, this app will notice as you typing that you are interested in adopt lion tiger with a perak scheme. So after it's already turned bright yellow, so go back to your to typing, and then the app will notice the zoo typing about your adoption on lion tiger. So here is the example. So this one is for adoption. So the next one is about is simply to show you what this app is about. To help is like the mini tutorial to use this app, the contact to contact the developer, then the credit, what video or image that I taken, so I credit them here. So the next one is, the last one is AR. So the center button is AR. Here is the AR. So what you need is as a zoo typing visitor, we have maps. So this is map of zoo typing official map. So first need to open this, and then for example they want to know about the reindeer, so they have to scan the reindeer here. So it's not. So here the reindeers, they want to know about love bears. Okay. It's AR. Okay. This, I think that's all for my prototype explanations. Thank you.